Never let it slide. I'll never let it slide. Never let it slide. I'll never let it slide. Never let it slide. I'll never let it slide. Never let it slide. Ah, man, pretty's goated. I'll never let it slide. Never let it slide. So basically, I was looking into this trade. Right. So we have a daily supply and a resting point. So like the trade is quite complicated, man. Trade setup is quite complicated, but it's kind of straightforward on like recent trades. So wait, let me just see something. Yeah, it's kind of straightforward like on recent trades, right? So it's the same things basically, and it's late. It's really late. It's like in the AMs. It's crazy late, right? But hey, it happens, right? So we took these cells towards the downside, which is really dope, just really beautiful. Confusion was actually when the market like started trading sideways, but I could have remembered that the market is still trading, still creating lower lows and lower highs, right? And the range that I was working with was this range, and this range, right? So now the market is like trading sideways, but the probability is saying that the market has to sweep this low, right? Now the goal for me is to just wait and see how the market is behaving. So right now I'm just trying to kill two birds with one stone and see how the market behaves, right? Because on a fractal movement, this is a range as well. You see that? So that's a range as well. So in that, what I did was, okay, in that now I shifted the focus from this high to that low, right? So that becomes my range. I don't remember why did I put this, but I'll probably know why on a lower time frame, right? So that's the goal, right? To see how the market behaves there, right? So now the goal for this trade is for the market to actually advance further high to tap into this. We have a 2-hour order block that is resting upon that area of interest, and any form of change in order flow, I'll be taking this trade towards the downside, right, to go finish off that entire leg, right, with my SLs above this area of interest right there. So that's what I am looking at currently, right? I am in this trade. I think I bought before the market closed, before market closure. So the goal right now is just to wait and see how the market behaves, right? So yeah, that's what I have currently. So kind of want to take like second trades here, because I see the market has already given me a break of structure towards the upside, but that's on a fractal movement, right? That's on a fractal movement because this POI failed a bit, or it's failing, so the market might just surge towards the upside instead of actually, see what I'm talking about, instead of actually tapping into this area of interest and then advancing towards the upside. So the market is just going to surge towards the upside. So what I was saying is that I was looking to take more buys here, right, to just scale in, trades, but it's all good, All right. So that's what I am currently looking at, or that's the trades that I am currently in. All right. So those are the trades that I'm currently in. So now that is liquidity right there, just waiting for it to sweep it. That is just liquidity that is resting upon that area of interest right there. I'm just waiting for it to sweep it. Now, how I took these buys is that the market has been sweeping all these liquidity. We had a change in order flow here on a fractal movement. That's like a very low time frame, I think 1 minute. And then the market gave me a break of structure, but it couldn't thingy. But I saw that this entire thing is weakness, right? So the market is reducing momentum. So that's the market reducing momentum right there. Do you see that? So that's the market. Beautiful. You see what I'm talking about? So that was the market reducing momentum. So I was like, okay, sharp, any form of change in order flow here, I'm gonna advance the market towards the upside. And then that's what the market did, man. Market advanced towards the upside. So now we have a sweep in that liquidity, right? Now we have a sweep in that liquidity. So the goal is to wait for the market to mitigate back so that I can add more trades. So the goal is to allow the market to advance higher, then come back and then advance more trades towards the upside. And then we have a 2-hour fair value gap right there, which is actually really beautiful. We're just waiting for it to actually be filled. Right, so the market is bullish and the market is actually trading nicely, right? So I am in this trade currently right now, right? So I just did this so that I can see the market properly. So yeah, that's actually really beautiful. So we had a change in order flow here, so the market mitigated. I wanted it to tap into this 5-minute OB, but it was shy of a few pips and then curved and then advanced towards the upside. Now there's something that I'm realizing with gold. I don't think I'm ready to share it yet, but there's something that I'm realizing with gold that I'm working on. I'm busy working on it. I don't know what to call it. Should I call it the gold digger strategy? That would be a dope name. That would be a dope name for it, right? So it's basically every single thing that has been in my mind, or things that are repetitive, or patterns that I look for when trading gold, continuation patterns and so forth, right? So yeah, man, that's basically what I'm looking for. But yeah, I'll share it. So what I'm waiting for on like the remainder, see, the thing about gold is that it's very not volatile, man. What's this word? It moves in volumes, right? Meaning that there's a lot of people that enter trades. So I think I'm gonna get like a smaller continuation pattern here, right? And then upon that mitigation of that continuation pattern, we probably might get something similar to that, right? So we might get something to that if we do, right? So we'll see, unless the market just sweeps towards the upside. So we're gonna get like a break of structure towards the upside there, right? Another break of structure towards the upside there, and then I might take break of structure towards the upside there, right? And then the market probably respecting a low sweeping liquidity, right? And then you'd want to look for buys here towards the upside until here you peep it. So yeah, man, so the market is moving nicely, but that's what I might look for, right? Until to like fill in that fair value gap. It might not happen here, it might happen in the fair value gap, because mostly when the market taps into that fair value gap after sweeping all this liquidity that is resting up, because every single thing here, that's money left behind. So that's weakness, that's money left behind right there, right? So that's money, right? So that's just money left behind, right there. So that is just money left behind, right? So we're just waiting to see how the market behaves and so forth and so forth. So yeah, so the goal is just to wait and see how the market behaves and stuff like that. But yeah, right? So we're just waiting to see how the market behaves. But every single thing on the left hand side, man, that is liquidity right there. That's money that was left behind. So the market is pushing. Beautiful. Look at the profits. Woo! 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 I love when a plan comes together, man. I love it when a plan comes together. I love it when a plan comes together. I love it when a plan comes together. I'll never let it slide. Never let it slide. I'll never let it slide. Never let it slide. I'll never let it slide. Never let it slide. I'll never let it slide. Never let it slide. Oh. The thing is, I do want to listen to music, but I can't cruise. I need non-copyright music, nigga. I'll never let it slide. Never let it slide. Oh. I feel like building your confidence as a trader, man, is the best thing that you could ever do. Alright, build confidence. Let's chill, wait. Sometimes we just can't take trade else. That's the thing. We can't take trade else. I think I could go sleep right now. You know, so yeah, man, let's just wait and see how the market unfolds. But besides that, we're on the right track. Wait, let me log into WhatsApp real quick. Alright, so yeah, man, I think we can go sleep right now. I took the trades. That'll be crazy. But yeah, the goal is just to wait and see how the market behaves. Tap on the inducement. I'm thinking of actually adding another trade here. So upon break, basically. So I mean, for the sweeps. I'm thinking of adding another trade there, but it's late though. It's 1 a.m. Yeah, no, let me go rest, man. I think we killed the market, but yeah, that's what I have. Those are the trades that I have. So we took the sells, and then now we are looking for buys. So yeah, man, from Zane Capital, shout out, man. Hit me up on those socials. Hit me up on Instagram. think it's hit me up on Instagram. I do have TikTok. I think on TikTok it's in capital. Yeah, I don't know what else. I think also in Instagram. I think I have 2 Instagram accounts. I think it's saying capital or saying capital. On capital. So yeah, man, that's where you can get me. But yeah, with that in mind, man, let's meet up tomorrow. Actually, later on today. But yeah, shut up, man. That's the trade that I have, or trading idea that I have, and like I will break it down properly. So yeah, man, God bless. Zane signing out.